So Jeannie's going to be working down in the storage room while I continue hatch installation. And there's the hard worker all suited up. Get ready to put some chlorid on into the engine room area. And she'll also paint that area later today. Her first exciting task of the morning is going to be to finish up this room so we actually can start using it. Well, because after we get it, we'll work on a little bit other stuff, like getting this stupid tank out of here. Anyway, this is the fun area she's going to be working in today. Bye. So tomorrow's work is to take out that stupid thing, or at least start the process. There is some stuff in it, so that'll be loads of fun transferring it out. The good news is we got the central vac installed, vent line's done, one hookup up top is done, and then one hookup here. Put the floor back in. Of course, I screwed the floor up and had to actually cut it twice, so wonderful. But it seems to be a workable solution. So there's a shot of the vacuum lines coming up. The forward one, right in this picture, is the height of hose unit, and it goes on up into the Yieldty area, and we have enough room for 50 feet of hose. And then here in the equipment room, we somewhat got it back together. Way over there above the battery box are the vacuum lines, and then we started getting the new floor panels laid out and cut. We got 5 of them in. Need to bolt them all in place, but that's pretty much it for work today. We're slowly getting the tank out of the bottom. There's the tank to this point. Now we're getting ready to lower it over to the side of the boat. It's probably actually maybe 150, 200 pounds, a lot heavier than I was expecting it to be, because the new ones are, not even 50 pounds for twice the capacity. Here's the quick block and tackle that we put together to do the rigging, and it worked pretty well. We had to put probably 30, 40 pounds of pressure, and I think that's given us a 4-to-1 or 5-to-1 advantage. I'm guessing it's still 150, 200 pound tank. It had 43 gallons worth of stuff in it. Loads of fun. We're gonna attempt to move this thing through the door, and then once we get through the door, we gotta re-rig again and then drop it down below. So I'm gonna be out here. Okay, well, we got it through the door. Yay!
Halfway through the door.
Halfway through the door, yeah.
Okay, drop it. Okay. Now go put it in the car.
Yeah. Storage room now no longer has the poop tank. There's where it used to be. Jeannie slacked off. Look, she didn't get this rust removed when she was working up here. I don't know why not. It's horrible up here. Definitely some heavy flaked rust.